Hello everyone. As a part of additional constructions, we are going to construct a lift in this video. Let's go to step 1. In step 1, we have two rectangular plates connected to each other using two flat connectors, one here, and everywhere we have used 2.5-inch bolts and nuts. So we have formed one big rectangular plate. We are calling this as assembly A. Moving on to the next step, we now take 4 L plates. You can see here 2 L plates, and they are again connected the same way we connected the rectangular plates. We have connected here using two flat connectors, one on the flat side here and one on the side, using 2 nut bolts each. Similarly, these 2 L plates are also connected using 2 connectors, one here in front, one on the side, using 2 nuts and bolts each. We call this assembly as assembly B. Moving on to the next step, this was our assembly B, 12 plates, and this was our assembly A. Now these two we have connected to one C plate using 2 nut and bolts here and 2 nut and bolts here. On the side of the C plate we have connected them. So the flat surfaces of L plates are connected to the C plate here. And the rectangular plate also is connected using 2 nuts and bolts. At the top we have used one double bar and connected it across all the three things, which is L plate here, and the rectangular plate here, each using 2 nuts and bolts. Let's move to the next step. Now here we have attached DC motor. Now you can see motor shaft is coming out of this first horizontal slit here, and the motor screws are connected into the central vertical slit here. Onto the motor shaft, first we have put one spacer, and then we have inserted a flat rotator. In addition, here we have connected one 1.5-inch bolt. On that we have put a spacer and then connected using a nut tightly. Similarly, we have done that here as well. Another 1.5-inch bolt, a spacer, and tightly connected. Move on to the next step now. So this is our lift assembly. It uses 4 square plates, and they are connected to each other using 5 L connectors. The bottom plate and the side plate is connected here using 1 L connector and 2 nut bolts. The bottom and the another side plate is connected with 1 L connector and 2 more nuts and bolts. The bottom and the back plate is connected with 1 more L connector and 2 more nuts and bolts. Similarly, at the top here, back plate and the side plates are connected using 2 more L connectors and 2 nuts and bolts each. That creates our lift assembly. We'll move to the next step. Now this lift assembly we have connected using a thread, and the thread is passing over this bolt here coming back here and is tightened to the motor shaft, and then we have put one flat rotator and a shaft lock to ensure that the thread stays in between these two flat rotators. So as the motor rotates, the thread gets wound up onto the motor shaft, and hence the lift will move up. When we rotate the motor in other direction, it will unwind, the thread will unwind, and due to the weight of the lift will start sliding down. So this is our lift, where we use the concept of pulley. We are pulling the thread down to make the lift go up, and we are releasing the thread up so that the lift goes down. I hope you liked this construction, simple construction. Put your comments in the comment section below, and definitely wait for our next video.